So let's continue with our story from yesterday. We're going to learn about superlatives today. Superlatives are words that end with est. So we're going to learn a few examples to understand what superlatives mean. So this is the word superlatives. Superlatives compare as well, but speak of an extreme. We need superlatives because, for example, if this person is tall, right? This character is tall. This character is going to be taller, and this one is the tallest. Tallest means أطول شيء. So tallest, he's the most tall. He's very, very tall. So he is the tallest, and we are adding est to say that he is the tallest. So he's very, very, very tall. So notice how here we added est, and he is the longest. Also, we added est. So the highest balanced beam. And this is the highest balanced beam. So also we added est. So for these superlatives, we are going to write in our whiteboard some examples. So here we are going to write adding est. For superlative adjectives, we add est to say that they are the tallest person or the longest thing. So it's even more. They're comparing. So we're going to put an example here. Tallest. And the next one we said longest. So please write the examples in your English notebook. Let's continue reading the story after you guys wrote the examples. I'm going to flip the page and be ready to read. I'm going to ask some of you to help me read, okay? So be ready, please, and pay attention. I'm going to use my highlighter here. So tall is a describing word. Tall describes the height of a person or how a person is. Described means يصف. And taller is a comparative. So taller is telling us that the person is more tall. We're using ER only for the comparative. Tallest is saying that it's even more tall. So it's the tallest thing ever. And it's called a superlative. So for example, here in this milkshake, this is a milkshake, this drink, it's a milkshake. So this one is tall, this one is taller, and this one is the tallest. So this is the tallest, it's the tallest thing. So because it is tallest, we use est. Okay? Going to the next page. We have more superlative examples over here. Who wants to help me read? Yamin, can you read the first sentence for us?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Most times superlatives will end in est.
Thank you, Yamin. So most times it will end in est, and that's how you will know that it is a superlative. Ayham, can you read the next sentence, please? Salam, can you read this part for us?
What?
Read this part for us, the one I highlighted here. Okay, I'm going to help you. The meanest dog. Can you say it again?
Meanest dog.
The meanest dog. So this dog is very mean. Look at how sharp his teeth is. So he's very mean. So he is the meanest dog. And we added est. Thank you for trying, Zainab. Next part. Lamar, can you read the next sentence for me, please?
مثل اللي تحت هذه.
Yes, this one.
The greenest frog.
Good job. So this frog is very green. He is the greenest frog. Thank you, Lamar. Well done. Bushra, can you read the last part for me? This one?
The
fancy
TV.
Fanciest TV. Good job. So fanciest has I-E-S-T. Fanciest means fakhm. This TV is fancy. So because the original word is fancy, the Y needs to be changed to I-E-S-T. That's why here it says fanciest with an I. Thank you, Bishra. Okay, let's go to the next page. So we have more superlative words over here. Let's write the example fancy in our whiteboard. We said again, fancy means fakhm. So let's write it here. Another example, fancy becomes fanciest because we have I, so it will become I-E-S-T. And you can highlight or underline Y and I-E-S-T. Lama, I'm going to try my best to translate, but I want you to learn English, so I can't translate everything. So fancy, فخم, and fanciest, أكثر فخامة. So we need to change the Y to I-E-S-T. And I'm going to ask some of you to read for me, okay? Bashair, can you help me read the first part?
Yes. It is only
one
up from
This is the new word. Compare
Like
Like newest.
topping newer.
Newer. Good job, Bashair. Thank you. So here they're telling us that newest is better than newer. So if you notice here in the picture, we have examples of good, then good became better, which is comparative, and best. So it's the best thing, which is a superlative. So best is the best thing. And here we have different examples. We have Eileen, can you read the first sentence, please?
Yeah.
This one for us.
Smartest up from smarter.
Thank you, Eileen. So
Smarter.
notice how this person got B, for example, 8 out of 10. So if he got 8 out of 10, this person is smart. And the next person got 9 out of 10, so he is smarter. And this person got 10 out of 10, so he is the smartest. So when he gets most grades, we add est because he is the smartest. What about the last sentence? Uthman, can you help me read the last sentence? And
دولاب
bluest.
Bluest. Where?
Bluer.
Bluer.
Good job, Uthman. So blue became bluer, and then bluer became bluest. So because they are all blue pictures and the character is blue too. Let's go to the next page. Well done reading, Uthman. I'm going to go to the next page. Let's write a few examples in the whiteboard first. So here we're going to write the examples that we learned about the superlative words. So we know good becomes better and then best. Best means أفضل شيء. Best is أفضل شيء. So good becomes better and then best, and then highlight it or underline best. We also said smart becomes smarter, and then smarter can become the smartest. We need to add the best. So for the superlative, we need to add the. And also I'm going to highlight the superlative. The last examples are funny. Funny becomes funniest. And the second one was sunny becomes sunniest. So